Hey guys, Jimmy Simien here, aka Mr. Spicy. Wanted to jump in quickly here and just chat about repairs. So, house is under contract, buyer's done inspections, negotiating, everyone's come to terms. Now the seller has a list of things to do. Those things, obviously, as we all know, can range from painting to foundation to electrical to plumbing. Now, all of those do not require licenses, but those items that do, like electrical and plumbing, you as a seller are obligated per the contract to do those repairs with a licensed person. So make sure you do that. It's not worth it to try to work around that and save a few bucks and then have the liability later that something happens to you. And ultimately, at the end of the transaction, or as we approach the end of the transaction, we have to give receipts for these things, and the buyer's agent is going to ask. And I've literally had buyers say, I'm not closing until those things are done properly. So you want to avoid all this. Just do it the right way. Use a licensed plumber, use a licensed electrician. Same with HVAC. It'll save you all a lot of headaches. So that's my 2 cents. Hope you guys have a great day. And I'll be doing more of these. Just saying.